Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this hair dryer review, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing this Conair blow dryer for you guys. So this was a part of my birthday wish list. My husband actually got it for me. It actually just came in the mail, so I'm just gonna do a quick review of it and tell you guys what I think of it. So here I'm showing it, the different parts. That is the diffuser right there that you use to dry your curls and to keep them in place, and that is another part that you can attach at the front to dry your hair as well. So let me just go into the details quick about everything about this blow dryer and what I think so far. Right, so it says it's the Conair Cord Keeper 1875. So it is as a retractable cord for easy storage. It controls frizz with ionic technology for smooth shiny hair, custom styling with 3 heats and 2 speed, dry hair quickly with a 1875 watts of power. So it comes with the diffuser and the concentrator included. So we're basically going to go in and show you. So as mentioned before, it has a retractable cord keeper. So when you press that little button there, it basically retracts the cord back in place, so it makes it easier for you to store. So far I've found it good. I've used it once in my hair and in my daughter's hair. She has natural hair, so the diffuser does work in that aspect, so I can dry her hair and not pull the curls. So it's very affordable. I also will be attaching the link to this exact blow dryer that's on Amazon, because that's where we ordered it from. So if you guys are interested in it, you can go check it out. As I said, for the price, I think it was $19 something cents. It's not bad. I find it very good for the price that it was selling for, and Conair is a good brand as well. And so far it's made my hair light and easy to work with before I do my braids or anything like that. So yep, it gets an A+ for me so far. So that's it guys for my review. Thanks for watching. Bye.